English reflection based in my learning skills and experience through this whole semester. During this subject, I have assigned to do weekly activities, portfolio, minor project, and major projects. The three main things I learned from the communication skill is non-verbal communication. I find certain facial expressions or body language beneficial to a certain setting. For example, if you see that when someone nods their head, it communicates approval and positive feedback efficiently. Second thing is verbal communication is important because it is efficient. It can be helpful to support verbal communication with both non-verbal and written communication. Use a strong, confident speaking voice, especially when presenting information to few or a group of people. I'm sure to use a strong voice so that everyone can easily hear me. Be confident when you're speaking so that my ideas are clear and easy for others to understand. Last thing, written communication. It is the act of writing, typing, or printing symbols like letters and numbers to convey information. It is helpful because they provide a record of information for reference. Writing is commonly used to share information through books, pamphlets, blogs, letters, memos, and more. Emails and hats are a common form of written communication in the workplace. Written communications should be as simple as clear as possible. Some new for me is to communicate in English with my family and college mates for the task given by my lecturer and doing video in English. This one my first experiences, but it should not indicate the negative aspects of the learning experience on the internet. This might have implications for the campus community partnership as well as possible future project as that side. Having a good communication skills also involve on being aware of both sender and receiver in a way that in the way I talk, body language, tone of voice that often change the way that I speak depending on the circumstances. I do have some awareness of the impact of body language towards delivering the information. In the result of session, I changed my mind to speak in English with confidence during verbal and non-verbal communication during activities while speaking with friends during portfolio. The skills taught me to perform well, sharpen my knowledge of strategy and tactics, and help me to transfer knowledge. Moreover, I need to improve my communication skills while talking with others so I will be able to communicate well and good conversation. The area I need to develop is verbal communication is that to speak with confidence. Speaking in a confident manner will help me build trust and command the respect of my family, friends, and others. The ability to speak confidently, including my command of the subject matter, word choice, the tone of my voice, body language, and ability to make direct eye contact with others. I have to learn how to listen, really listen, not just stay quiet. Listening is one of, if not the most important aspects of communication, because communication is the process of interacting and transmitting messages with others. I think that I have poor use of eye contact with audience during presentation. Eye contact is key to build rapport. During my presentation, I guess that I didn't get an eye contact with my audience. In future, I would like to develop my interacting skill with my audience. I think this is the part where I should need a further development. I still have some issues and unsure on differences between perception and viewpoint. Physical disabilities such as hearing problems or speech difficulties, physical barriers to non-verbal communication, not being able to see the non-verbal gestures, posture, and general body language can make communication and less effective. Phone calls, text messages, and other communication methods that rely on technology are often less effective than face-to-face communication. Language differences and the difficulty in understanding unfamiliar accents, expectations, and prejudice, which may lead to false assumptions or stereotyping. The one thing which I really like about this subject is that I really love and enjoyed spending my time with my friends and family to do activities and tasks. From every activities or task that I participated will let me get to know more about my friends and my own. I do everything with confidence, even to know more about this subject and extend my knowledge more about other things that I do not really know about. Furthermore, I realized the importance of our communication skills when making videos in platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and more. In this presentation, never failed to teach me how communication impacts our daily lifestyle and the benefits of proper communication, and to let others know our point of view. There is nothing that I dislike from this subject. It is because able to learn something new, which is helpful to our daily lives and gain a lot of information through the topics that we have been discussed and studies. Successful communication helps us better understand people and situations. It helps us overcome diversities, build trust and respect, and create conditions for sharing creative ideas and solving problems. Successful communication can deepen relations in personal life or professional life. In personal life, they can help us understand better people and situations that can happen. Developing and skills can help us avoid conflicts, compromise, and help in better decision making. First and foremost, I would like to know more detailed information about the weekly activities presentation. Secondly, the 5 minutes how made me excited due to its uniqueness compared to other issues. Thirdly, the portfolio interested me a lot as well. This was my first semester as I just entered this course early in September. At first, it was really hard for me to adapt with the course, but with the help of my friends and classmates, I'm able to go through it smoothly.